Hello guys, so remember yesterday's stream? Well, a lot of people, one person asked me to make a tutorial on OBS and how to actually record videos and stuff. And I thought, yeah, why not? I actually had an idea to make this, and I even have one video, old video that's now private. So why not continue the series? And here it is. My first tutorial on how to be a YouTuber. Today we're gonna be talking about the YouTube Studio and almost everything you can find in it. And the next videos are gonna be like OBS and video editing, because those are important as well. And other than that, enjoy the video. Okay, so this is my YouTube page right now. Sorry it's in Romanian, but let me explain you real quick how everything in here works. So we have the most recent video, or in my case the most recent live stream, the views of the live stream, the duration of view, the maximum numbers of participants in the same time, like viewers. We have the published videos, recent subscribers. Now be careful, don't use this one that often, because it shows you if an actual YouTube channels, for example, see, it's a YouTube channel, it won't show me you subscribed unless you have a channel, so I won't know who's subscribed to me. That's a thing. So it's kind of useless, because out of 130 subscribers, like only I can see like 30 of them. Now it shows me the top of viewed videos, which, yeah, you can see my little short hit 11,000 views. It shows me a short resume with the views and the watch hours. Now I can check statistics in here. I can also check the published videos. If I want, I can check the statistics of this stream and comments, and also the community, which you can see here. Now this is the starting page. This is all of your content, and when I mean all, I mean literally everything you have published in your entire lifetime. I'm not proud of these videos. I am not proud of these. Alright, I am not proud these exist. I mean, starting off like here, I think I started making better content, but when we're talking about this kind of content, I'm scared. I'm scared. And here the real content got to actually come out, and now I have good content. But before I had very crappy content. 10-year-old me was not prepared for YouTube. Now the next one is statistics, which I'm gonna show you in a bit how it works. You can see comments. It will automatically have a password filter. You can disable it, and you can then see yeah, you can see comment section, the entire comment section. Yeah. Now you have subtitles for videos. You can add them from here. Now you have copyrights in here, which nothing new, but yeah. Here is the eligibility. I don't know if I said that right. Here you can check if you're eligible for winning money from YouTube, like ads, members and stuff like that. Here you can customize your thing, which I'm gonna show you in a bit, and audio library, which is very useful. Now let's get to statistics. Here you can see your view. Here you can see your views, you can see the watch hours, and you can see the subscribers. Now in here you can also see I've posted a short on this day. Again here 2 videos this day, 2 videos this day, 1 this day, and so on. Here a video, and then here a live stream, which was yesterday. Each of them have logos. You can see them. This is a live stream, this is a short, and this is a long form video. Your best content, which you can see here in descending order from the best to the worst. I'm just joking, that's not my worst. S is my worst. Yeah. And yes, you can see them blowing up, going down. Some of them don't even get up. Some of them do and never stop. It really depends. Now the content one it's a lot to talk about. You have the new viewers, the returning viewers, subscribers, you have views, you have content, published content, you have viewers based on the format, if they watch only long form, only short form, or if they watch both. In my case, all of you watch both of my videos, so I'm happy. How do people actually find you? This one is useful. I recommend you use this one a lot. It tells you how fast you can grow. So for example, 95% of you found me from shorts, so might as well post a short from this video. And the rest aren't that important because they are very small, but you can read about each one of these. And yes, now we have this pyramid over here, which I have no idea what does. The most popular remixes, which for me they're not available yet. Now you can also sort these from like videos to posts to shorts and live streams, or you can have them all. But now let's return to the public, you guys. Yeah, we're talking about you now. Returning viewers, one-time viewers, subscribers. When you guys are on YouTube, what channels you follow, what do you watch, what do my subscribers watch, and how many of you are subscribed by watching. And as I can see now, only 6.5% of you that watch my videos are subscribed. So go click that button, it's down there. Please guys, I'm begging you. It would be a wonderful gift, you know. I would love this. Now we're not talking about that. It tells us age and gender. Yeah, I don't think girls like me that much. I don't think girls like me that much. Only almost 30%. So I don't think girls like my content. Apparently 9.2% of people are from Russia. So yeah, my top viewers are apparently Russian. Then Turkey, Germany, Poland, Italy, France, Romania. Oh, I still have Romanian viewers. That's nice. Brazil, USA, Ukraine. Okay. Alright. South Korea. Alright. I can also see from what cities you guys come. Okay. That's the thing. Subtitles. Some people use Russian subtitles in my, the Masha Ultra Funk video. They sometimes trigger, they sometimes don't. It happened to me too. But yeah, most of you don't watch with subtitles. But apparently some of you do. Yeah. And I have searches which I guess I don't actually understand what this is exactly. I have absolutely no idea what this is. I'm gonna have to document it and show it in the next video. But I guess it shows you Oh, it shows you like what you should use as tags, because these were very searched. Oh, okay, I like this one. I should send it. I should watch it. I like it. Now we can check comments. The comments are questionable. My comments are questionable. Subtitles. You can add subtitles to all your videos. I don't know how to talk anymore. We cannot do anything with these ones, but now we're getting to one very important, and you should definitely take care of this one. Customization. You can add sections, and I'm gonna show you how they actually look. So it shows content that I should watch, and then popular videos, SS channels. You can see my Buffchester, one of my newest channels that I created, and Grass Gang, which is still alive, by the way. Videos, shorts, and streams, and all of this is like I sorted it out. I can also create playlists and stuff. Now you can also add special videos for returning viewers, which I guess you could make. It is a good idea. I didn't make it yet. You can also make a trailer for a channel for like the people that didn't subscribe yet, which is very useful. I'm gonna make that once. Now branding. It's the profile picture, the banner, and the little, you know, I don't know how to call it, but whenever you open up a video on someone's channel, you will wake up with this little thingy that tells you to subscribe. Yeah, you can add that, and you can choose you can choose it. Oh shit! Oh, you can change it from the end of the video to the beginning of the video to the entire video. I have it for the entire video because yes. And now basic info: name, your channel's name, the nickname. Now the description is very important. You actually have to get the best ideas in the start of the description, because that's what people will see on your channel. So for example, see, give me footage, pro tips, tutorials, and more. And then if I want, I can click on more. But otherwise, if the most important info about your channel is like right here, viewers are not gonna see it. Now you can change your link to the channel, and you can add more links. For example, I have my Twitch, my TikTok, and my official Grass Gang website, which is not done yet. I'm still working on it. You can add links, your email address for people to actually contact you, and that's pretty much it in here. About the content, well, let's see. Here I have all of your videos, so let's go on one video. We click on it. I made a cute animation. Yes. Now we can change a heck ton of things. So for example, in here we can add an end scene, the ones that actually promote to more videos. So for example, I can add one video and one subscribing, and it will look like this. I won't, because the video is very short. I don't want to actually break it, but that's very useful when you're making long form videos. Here the statistics, the editor, which you can add audio, you can cut. If you don't have a good editor, you can cut right from the studio, but I don't recommend it. It takes like hours. The end scene, and the little things that pop up in the corner right on top of my head now, you know, those little things pop like right there. You can see one in other videos, but not in mine because I don't add them. The comments, again, did an answer tag. You want to actually remove that if you want to see all the comments. It sometimes doesn't work, so I recommend you. Now you can also choose a language, and you can make the subtitles, but I have them already. Copyrights, it shows if your video is affected or not, and little cuts that you make. Now for example, for the copyright part, if I am to go on this Chester Sings Welcome to the Internet and go right here, well, it's unaffected, but it still has a strike, which means either remove the entire song or you know, it remains there. Now it doesn't affect my channel, but I wouldn't make money out of this video, so don't do that. Don't get copyrighted, okay? It's dangerous. And that's pretty much it for the YouTube Studio. There is a lot of things in the studio. I think I have a video which I think I'm gonna repost and edit a little bit about the studio, and there are a few more things in that video, but still it's not that hard to use YouTube Studio. It's just you have to dedicate a lot of time to understand how the fuck this thing works, because it's hard. The next video I think is gonna be about like OBS Studio or stuff, because that's also fun to use. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna record that video, but whatever. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget that the best tips I can give you for videos is look on your shorts feed, find the best content you get, that you get it repeatedly. For me, for example, I got a heck ton of videos with the meme, with this Buzz meme, and so I came up with the idea to make one myself. And yes, since I'm not the only person that gets these kind of videos. Also openings, it really depends. For me, the opening blew up because people actually were looking for the Godzilla Buzz event stuff, but then it stopped because the event ended and no one cared. But still, you just have to check what is promoted by the algorithm at the moment and just exploit it as much as you can. When you're a little tiny creator, that helps. But when you actually grow up, I recommend coming up with better, more original ideas. But don't do that early in your journey, because you're gonna get fucked up. Because you're not gonna grow, and growing is important. Anyway guys, that's it for the video. I hope you learned something new from my short tutorial, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. It will really help me out, especially because one of my classmates has more subscribers than me, and that happened for way too long. I'm better than him at YouTube, I'm more dedicated, and still I don't have as many subscribers as him. And I'm not just saying that, like a lot of people say that, and I want to prove him that I'm better. Anyway, don't forget, again, subscribe, like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share with people that actually need help with the studio, because it's funny to use. And see you in the next video. Bye.